Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video we are going to discuss about how we can use Geeks practice portal in a more effective way, because Geeks contains all the resources which we basically want for our interview preparation, for DSA preparation, and every step regarding coding. So we'll discuss everything. It's not like that you will be just get a paid thing. Okay, it's not like कि आपको paid चीजें बताएंगे. I will also tell you things which are available free in Geeks. Okay, so if we will, let's discuss that. So this is the portal. Okay, this is a Geeks portal, you can see, and in this portal you can see that the first section is of data structures. So we know that we have many data structures, and we have to sometimes practice problems related to a particular specific data structure. So for that we have a data structures column at Geeks. You can just select a particular data structure that will be selected, and then you can solve problems related to that particular data structure only. That's a very amazing way how you can use just data structure specific problems in Geeks. Just like we have a tag for algorithm also, that we will also discuss in the problems tag. Okay, so let's move towards the problem tag. Here we will discuss everything. Okay, for example, that you are weak in binary search, you have to solve problems of binary search. So what you can do is that you can first go to topic, just let's select binary search here. Okay, now you will get all the problems related to binary search. So currently I have one submission. Let's first also sign in here. Let me just sign in, so that it will be more good to explain. Okay, yeah, now we are signed in. Okay, so now I have selected all the problems which are of binary search. You can see that there are 44 problems of binary search. Now we'll ask that should we have to solve all the 44 problems? That will be a very hectic for us. हम लोग 44 problems कैसे solve कर सकते हैं? Sir, tell me some 5 to 10 good problems of binary search that we should solve. So for that there is another thing. So we have first thing, the first tag is difficulty wise. You can just select the problems of your day. For example, that you are just a beginner or some medium beginner. You can select difficulty of easy and medium. Okay. Now you have some 31 problem. Still you have some 31 problem. Now you ask, sir, 31 problems बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, हम लोग इनको भी कैसे solve कर सकते हैं? Now there is another thing, that is the seeds. These seeds contains only those problems that are very important. Problems. All the important problems are present here. Let's say I have selected the SD seed of Geeks. Now all the problems which are also in the SD seed of binary search are present here. Now you can even remove this difficulty sign. You can see in our SD seed there are 4 problems of binary search. That is what you can solve. Now let's say that you are preparing for an interview. Okay, that let's say that your Amazon interview, there you have to solve problems of Amazon of binary search which are asked. You can just search tag on the Amazon tag, you have the 10 problems. Then you can just practice these 10 problems to make your concepts more clear. This is how you can use the practice section of this Geeks. Other than this problems tag, we also have a courses tag. So in courses tag we have multiple courses. We have live courses, we have DSA courses, we have multiple courses in our course section. Okay, you can check it out. The problems are related to DSA development. Let's say that you have to just learn some development course. Okay, so let's say that there are some free courses also, just like so I'm just discuss about the free courses in later in the video. Okay, let's first discuss about the courses. Okay, so there are multiple courses we have. Okay, now let's say that you have to just buy this full stack development course. Okay, this is live course. Let's take another course. Let's say that you have to just buy this complete bootstrap course for beginners. Okay, just open it. Okay, now you can just sign up for this course. Now in the registration part you can just register. Okay, and then the thing is of payment. If you will use my code Abhinav 10, you will get an instant 10% discount on your courses. You can see the instant 10% discount is applicable now. The instant 10% discount is applicable on all the courses of Geeks. If you will use code Abhinav 10, you will get instant 10% discount on all the courses of Geeks. It can be courses related to data structures, algorithm. Let's explore this complete interview preparation course. This is a course which is very amazing. Okay, this type of course are there. Okay, now let's see that what this course is about. Okay, so this course contains all the basic concepts of data structures and algorithm. Of which are asked in interviews basically. If we see another course, let's say this complete test series. So if you are preparing for a product based company and you want some test series, so this is a complete test series which are basically for all the FAANG companies. You can just register for this course, okay, and then in the place here you can just apply the coupon code, okay, which is Abhinav 10, and then you can get a instant 10% discount on all the courses. This is how you can use this platform, okay. Now let's talk about the next. This is the event section. Here you will get all the contests, webinars, events associated with Geeks for Geeks. You will get everything here in this event section. You can see that there is a mock live interview, okay. You can also see me in these interviews. Sometimes I also take some sessions for Geeks, and there's a get hired portal which is only open for who has taken some course. You can also access this portal. So this is how you can access Geeks for Geeks portal in a very better way. Thank you guys. Thank you.